Okay, I have all the Puppet Wars miniatures unbagged now and make them a little easier to look at. A little less time on the camera. We'll take a look through all of them. This is a Rotten Bell. Kind of has, can't tell if her lips are kind of poked out in a kissy look, kissy face or not, but you got a trademark umbrella. This is Rusty Alice. You kind of see a size comparison. They're really no bigger than the tip of a finger. It's her little mechanical hand. Here's the Austringer, done up like a scarecrow. This, I believe, is the judge. Yeah, that's the judge. This is Betmore. Got a big old snaggletooth there. So I believe it's the Convict Gunslinger. Yep, that's what it is. Razor Spine Rattler. They all come with a little pokey piece you can stick down on the base. Here's Seamus. Trademark top hat and bag. This is a Salurid. Looks a little less puppety except for on the front. Lady Justice. The Malifaux Cherub. This is, I believe, Masaki, or not Masaki, Ronin. This is a Ronin. There's a Ronin that has the same dreadlock look to her. This is Masaki. Long ponytail. All the female puppets seem to be especially well endowed. This is your punk zombie. This, I have to look at that real quick. This is a December Acolyte. And all those I just showed are one piece, but you have a few two-piece models here. Here's the nurse. And here's her comically giant syringe, which appears to be her only arm, unless I missed a piece. You have the Death Marshal and his, it's like a first aid kit, but I don't know if that's supposed to be his coffin or if that goes to something else. And you have the Executioner with his comically giant claws. In comparison to him. And because they had specials going on during Gen Con, when you bought the starter base set, you've also got the Pokey Victoria model, which is a master, another master to play with, and that's a two-piece model. And this is it right here. Got the one piece with the swords extended out, and this is a piece that goes in the back with some wings and swords done out to the side. And if you ordered the base game and 3 expansions, or just 3 expansions, I'm not quite sure, but I got the base game and 3 expansions, so I also got the Hooded Rider model released before. And get a close up of that real quick. Nice psychotic looking guy on a hobby horse, or a rocking horse. And that's everything that comes in the Puppet Wars base game.